To make Austrian Kaiserschmarren, first wash your hands. Then mash fresh raspberries and fresh blueberries with a fork. Sprinkle a spoonful of icing sugar on top. Cover with a clean tea towel and put to one side for later. Grease a shallow oven-proof dish with soft salted butter. Make sure you cover it really well. Pour whole milk into a jug. Now take 5 eggs and crack them one by one into a mug. Check for shell and pour each one onto a plate so you can trap the yolk in an egg cup, just like this. Then tip the egg whites into a bowl and add the yolks to the milk jug. Make sure you wipe your hands after touching raw egg. Now whisk all the egg yolks together with a spring whisk. Next, sift self-raising flour into another bowl. Add caster sugar and mix it. Gradually add the milk and egg mixture bit by bit, mixing as you go to make a smooth batter. Then use the edge of a teaspoon to scrape the seeds out of a vanilla pod. Add them to the bowl and mix again. Then put the bowl to one side. Now, put the bowl of egg whites onto a clean, damp tea towel, which helps stop it from slipping. Then, use a handheld rotary whisk to whisk the egg whites until they are light and fluffy. If you find this tricky, ask a grown-up to help you. Add 2 spoons of the foamy egg white to your batter. Give it a mix, then add the rest of the egg whites and gently mix it with a spoon, twisting and turning to make the shape of a number 8. When it's all mixed together, pour it into the buttered dish and ask a grown-up to put it in the oven for you. When the Kaiserschmarren is cooked and slightly cooled, it will have risen and turned golden and brown. Add a spoon of ground sweet cinnamon to icing sugar, mix it together, and ask a grown-up to shred the Kaiserschmarren using 2 forks. Now, sprinkle on the icing sugar mixture and serve with the mashed berries from earlier. It looks really delicious, sweet and spongy, and the mashed fruits are lovely and juicy. This is a My World Kitchen Amber recipe to be eaten occasionally.